Meaning of infirm.
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 Infirm. The adjective infirm refers to a physical or mental weakness. It can describe someone who is frail, feeble, or vulnerable due to health issues or old age. The term can also refer to something that is lacking in strength or stability, such as an infirm structure or an infirm argument. Generally, the word conveys a sense of fragility and vulnerability, suggesting a need for care and support. Overall, infirm implies a state of weakness or instability that requires attention and intervention to prevent further harm or deterioration.